Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to speak about a very important topic and very not known topic by the normal people, ugly duckling stage. So what is ugly duckling stage? Now, ugly everyone knows not looking good, and duckling, what is duckling? That is a duck, little duck. Now this is a very important term in dentistry or in pediatric dentistry. So we should talk about it a little more. Now what is ugly duckling stage? Now everyone of us come across child from year 8 to 11 years. Now during this stage there is shedding of teeth, eruption of teeth. So there is mixed dentition present in the teeth. Okay. So there is a variety of changes going on in the child mouth of the child. So there are mixed dentition, that is big teeth, small teeth, permanent teeth, old deciduous teeth, everything is present. So the child's look matters. So it becomes like ugly duckling, like these two teeth, they look really big and there is a big gap between the two teeth. So most of the parents get concerned about this look and visit a dentist, or just they get concerned. But there is nothing to concern about this look. Now I will show you a picture of ugly duckling stage, proper picture. Okay, see, look above. This is the proper picture of ugly duckling stage. Okay, mostly 8 to 11 years of age, this kind of picture we can observe. Now, it is also called as broadband phenomena in clinical terms. Now, most of the parents think their child will need a treatment, but no, the child will not need a treatment. It is a self-correcting anomaly. That is where all the permanent teeth like upper, that is this jaw, canine, we know canine is a special tooth, canine, that is sharp tooth, which is have much importance for beauty and all things that I will explain in later. But this teeth, when this teeth gets erupt, I'll show a flow chart and proper diagrammatic representation after this explanation. So this, it comes like this, and then it is a self-correcting. Now canines erupt between 9 to 11 years of age, maxillary, that is upper canine. Now they will erupt. Then their erupting crown, that is the crown portion which is visible in the mouth of that canine, will push the roots of the lateral incisor, that is adjacent tooth, mesially, and this will minimize the gap between the two central incisors. Okay, so between these age, if you have any doubt, you go to talk to your dentist, but dentist will guide you that there is nothing to worry and the child's teeth will be normal. And normally the braces or ortho treatment is not carried out in between mixed dentition stage. So when all the permanent teeth are erupted, we can think about it. But this self-correcting anomaly, which is perfectly fine, and your child growth is perfectly fine. Okay, so thank you. Please subscribe, like, share. Let's meet you in the next video, and you can WhatsApp me or DM me or say in the comment section that how was the video and any further topics you would like to know about dentistry. Okay, thank you.